the winner. The logo contest prize presentation to the winner artist. Let's welcome on stage Mr. Shashina and അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ട്രോഫി നൽകി ആദരിക്കുന്നതിനായി I request Mr. V.S. Thambi. Congratulations and thank you so much. Mr. Shashina, the winner of the Shashinsa, Sri Shashinsa, thank you so much. It's an honor. Thank you so much. And I think we can have a photo together. Congratulations and thank you so much.